My friends, I hate to have to say this to you, but America is now a culture of disbelief. So if you're an immigrant, I'm going to say to you, keep contributing and developing the country while developing yourself. If you're a Jamaican, I want to say to you particularly, send your money go a yard and build a little something so that when the fire come, you have somewhere to run to. America has become a culture of disbelief. Guys all over the country on dirt roads with thousands of guns and military fatigues have been training for decades to fight the federal government. If a pig farmer can get online and convince 1 million people to follow him simply because of his disbelief, can you imagine what would happen if an educated, charismatic politician decided not to follow the system and go his own way and with extreme politics? I promise you, there's a fire coming. Be careful,